Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Now we'll be starting with first practical problem of issue of shares on page number 341. See, Vijay Limited was registered with an authorized capital of rupees 15 lakhs divided into 1,50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Company issued 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 2 per share. Company received application for 80,000 equity shares and were allotted the shares. Company received application money rupees 3 per share, allotment money rupees 4 per share, including premium and first call money rupees 3 per share. The directors have not made final call of rupees 2 per share. All the money were received except one shareholder holding 500 shares did not pay first call. See, now Vijay Limited, it has an authorized capital of how much? 1,50,000 shares. Okay, the price of that share is what? Rupees 10 each. Now then, this is called with premium of rupees 2. So the total value of share becomes 12. Now see, in the books of Vijay Limited, extract of balance sheet, because nothing is to be balanced as, because balance sheet asset side must tally with liability side. But here, to explain you all the things clearly, we have the extract of balance sheet. Authorized capital of Vijay Limited. Now above this 1,50,000 shares, not a single share can be issued by Vijay Limited. आप बोलोगे कि मैं 1,51,000 shares issue करूँगा या 1,50,001 share issue करोगा, वो one share भी it is not allowed. So it is the authorized maximum capital which a company can raise, that is authorized capital 15 lakhs. अभी जो ऑथोराइज्ड कैपिटल होता है उसके बाद ही फिर इशूड कैपिटल होता है. Now the company Vijay Limited has published in the newspaper that it is going to have 1 lakh shares of rupees 10 in the market to call to the subscribers. Okay, तो ये कंपनी ने इशू किया है 1 लाख शेयर्स, उसका वैल्यू कितना हो गया? 10 lakhs. But the general public has subscribed to only 80,000 shares. 1 लाख शेयर्स थे मार्केट में, मगर सब लोगों ने कितने सब्सक्राइब किए हैं? लोगों ने only 80,000. That means under subscription is there. Okay, तो ये 80,000 into 10, this comes to 8 lakhs. Out of this, now called up capital, company did not make the last final call of rupees 2. That means called up capital कितना हो जाएगा? Only rupees 8. तो ये हो गया called up capital. So subscribers are 80,000 into rupees 8 is called up till now by the company Vijay Limited. So this amount comes to rupees 6,40,000. 8 8s are 64 and 4 zeros. Now see, after called up, paid up, now we have called, but the subscriber should pay also. So the paid up capital. Okay, it is how much? 80,000 shares of rupees 8 each in the inner column. Why? Because the company has said that one shareholder who was holding 500 shares did not pay rupees 3. They are calls in arrears of rupees of 500 shares. So less calls in arrears 500 shares into 3, that will come to 1500. So you'll minus this. What will be the remaining figure? 6,38,500. This is the actual amount that company has now. Okay. Now second will be reserves and surplus. See, the face value was 10 each, but it was issued at a premium of rupees 2. So 80,000 into 2 rupees premium is paid by everyone, including this 500 shareholder, means the holder of 500 shares, क्योंकि इसने जो आपने फर्स्ट कॉल किया है उसका नहीं पे किया है, उसके पहले पे किया था, तो 2 rupees each, तो कितना हो गया? 1,60,000. Now if you add 6,38,500 plus 1,60,000, cash at bank will be 7,98,500. Okay, ये दोनों कैश आपके पास अवेलेबल है फॉर विजय लिमिटेड टू डू द बिजनेस. Is it clear to you? I hope this everything is clear to you.